Hey guys, it's Zuko. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I went to the pool, I was in the sun, I was swimming all day long, living my best mermaid fantasies. So I thought tonight would be the perfect night to show you guys how I wash my box braids. So I've washed these once already, and I've probably had these for, I don't even know, I'll write it down somewhere, but I've had them for a long time. I've washed them once already, but when I did that wash, it didn't fully give me the cleanest feeling that I wanted. So I've come up with a better tactic on how to wash my box braids, and I'm gonna share that with you today. You need to wash your hair with box braids. Like, I feel like a lot of people think that you can just go months and months without doing anything. I don't know about you guys, but when my scalp gets dirty and has a lot of buildup, like I just don't feel good. I need to wash my hair. And today I'm gonna show you how I do it with these beautiful box braids in my hair. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, my hair is very frizzy and I definitely do have some buildup. You can probably see some little flakies in there. You can just see that my scalp is ready to be washed. It's time. Like, my braids are congested and it's just, we need a wash. So last time when I washed my hair, I just used shampoo and kind of did it as you normally would in the shower. But I just tried to be super gentle around like my scalp and like try and stick with, like, for example, if I were washing like this line of hair, I would only like scrub right in the line. And I would be really mindful about where I was scrubbing because I didn't want any frizz. But I feel like I didn't get a good enough clean as I wanted. So this time we're doing more of a deep cleanse. So we're getting really clean. And yeah, sometimes you need a deeper clean when you have braids. Sometimes you don't, you know, just base it off of you. So for this extra clean wash day, I'm going to be using some apple cider vinegar. I'm sure you guys know about this. It smells like feet, but it works miracles. So apple cider vinegar is great for detoxifying the scalp. It'll break up all your buildup and leave your scalp feeling really clean, which is why I'm gonna use it this time. I don't always like using this on my hair because of the smell. Like, I really just can't do it sometimes, but I need a deep clean today, and I'm gonna follow up with a little shampoo after this to just make sure it's all out of my hair. So I think we should be fine. Like, you just really have to wash it out really well so you don't get any of the smell left over. So into a spray bottle, I'm just gonna put that much apple cider vinegar. I don't really measure things, guys. Like, I just guesstimate, and my guesstimations are always perfect. So it's just, some people are born with it. Like, I don't even, what can I say? Like, it's really just, I'm so blessed. I'm just gonna start by spraying my scalp and massaging what needs massaging so that I can get a really deep cleanse. With this, I'm not gonna put it in my hair like this because I don't want the smell trapped in my braids. I'm just really focusing on the scalp. And it'll rinse through my hair, but I'm gonna wash it enough for it to not smell like apple cider vinegar. Okay. Guys, I also wanted to just show you the difference between my scalp and my middle part versus this part. What the heck, guys, look at this. 1, 2, 1, 2. If I were bald, I would have like a tan line down my head. That's just so funny to me. Whatever, let's keep cleaning.
I've been waiting all night, watch you blow a mile. please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover loving, they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between.
Okay guys, I'm all done with this apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna go in with another mixture to really scrub it out. It's been about 5 minutes. I can really feel that the apple cider vinegar has like absorbed into my hair, and my scalp already feels so much like cleaner. Like it just immediately feels better. That's why I love apple cider vinegar. If only it didn't smell like feet, like damn. Anyway, for step 2 of this process, I've filled up my spray bottle with water again, and I'm just gonna add some shampoo into it. I'm using my Aussie Miracle Volume shampoo. Don't know why I have this. This is just a cheap go-to shampoo that I like to use for random purposes. You know, everyone has that one shampoo that's just for a rainy, not a rainy day, but for experimental purposes. Anyway, so I'm adding some shampoo in here. I'm kind of adding a lot because, yeah, so it's about that much. I hope this can go through my spray bottle. Okay, and this next part can get a little messy, so I have a towel with me. Put this towel under my hair because this is gonna get messy. We are gonna have a dripping, wet head of hair after this. You gotta be protected. This is my little Velcro towel from school. I used to just wrap it around me when I'd have to shower at school. So I'm gonna take this shampoo and water mixture and really drench my entire scalp in it. I'm gonna put this everywhere and like really get it in there good. This is gonna be coating my entire hair from like here down. And I'm gonna get all of that apple cider vinegar out and just get my scalp really clean.
Please don't touch me like that, 'cause you know I'll react. Don't make me do this, I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules, and that's facts, facts, facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem.
Okay guys, right now I'm gonna massage my head overall. If your braids are still really fresh and really new, I would not recommend this because it's probably gonna give me a little bit of frizz, but I personally don't really mind the frizz, and my braids are frizzy anyway, so I'm gonna scrub a little, but this will cause a little bit of frizz, so if you don't want frizz, don't do this step.
Tell me that I'm wrong, I don't care. It makes me happy, and if you're happy, then let's be happy. Then let's be happy. Yeah, me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you. It stays between me and you.
strained right now. Like, I'm not sure that I can even lift it up. Oh my God, ouch. Okay guys, I'm all done rinsing out my hair, and now I'm just gonna let it dry like this in the towel for a couple of hours while my neck recovers from that. And yeah, I'll come back a couple of hours later and I'll show you how I blow dry. My hair is pretty dry. It's, I'd say, like 70% dry. And it smells so good. No apple cider vinegar residue is left whatsoever. I do have a little bit of frizz, but as I said, my hair was frizzy before. This really doesn't bother me. And I'm gonna show you what you can do if it does bother you to have a little bit of frizz. But first, let's blow dry a little bit. I'm gonna be using my blow dryer, and I'm only gonna blow dry the mid-lower portion of my hair because you don't want to be blow drying up here and getting a lot of frizz. Plus, your natural hair automatically dries quicker than the braiding hair, at least mine does, so there's really no need to be blow drying at the top of your head. But I would say to definitely hit the bottom portion of your hair for like 10 minutes and it'll really speed up your drying time. I'm all done blow drying. My hair is really dry, like it's super dry. It'll probably be dry like within the hour, like 100% dry, but it's pretty dry right now. I'm happy with this dryness. Like I can go to sleep with this hair. But before I do, I'm gonna put a little bit of product onto my scalp just to lay it down a bit. And then when I wrap my hair at night, my hair will really just lay down and I'll be looking cute in the morning. So I'm gonna use my Nature's Blessing hair pomade. I love this stuff so much. You can use a mousse, maybe an edge control, a light one. Don't use anything too heavy, but something that'll give you a nice light hold and something that you won't mind putting on your hair right after it's been washed. This is my absolute favorite. I can't get over the smell, it's so good. And with doing this, when I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna tie my hair down, and then when I wake up, it'll be nice and laid in the morning. So that's the way to do it. I'm just going over the frizzy spots of my hair, and I'm just lightly laying them down. I know this is so good for my hair. My hair loves this stuff. So I'm not super like concerned about putting this in my hair. I know it can feel counterproductive to wash and then like put a product in your hair, but this works well. And look at the difference between just applying a little bit of pomade and not. You can clearly see laid crazy. So a nice product like this will really go a long way, guys. You can see the difference. You can tell. Look at this. I also really quickly wanted to show you guys this little net hair lady thing I have going on that I sleep with. I think it really comes in clutch and keeps my hair laid at night. I put my bonnet on top of this, and this little sock legging thing is really helpful. So now I'm done. My hair is washed, my scalp is clean, and I'm feeling good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thanks for staying tuned on how I shampoo my box braids when I have them. I love this method because I get a really, really clean scalp and I still maintain my braids. Like there's not too much frizz, things are looking how they were looking before I washed my hair. So this is just the perfect routine for me. Leave a comment below if you guys try this out for your next wash day. I would love to hear back about it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Definitely hit that like button and subscribe if you want to join the family and be notified. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!